So I just want to dig a bit deeper on protection of the products. Now, this is really the most important part because if this is not done correctly, you're going to get broken products, and then you're going to get customers who are getting broken products, and then you're going to get negative reviews. You've done all the work to get the product there. So now the last part is you got to get it to them safely. Yep. So what you really want to do is actually take the packaging and take your examples and like do everything you can to try to break it and see what it really takes to break it. Now, the way that we had done ours is we originally were sending out the goggles, and what we found was that there was an issue. What we found originally with the goggles was that we were sending extra lenses with them, like so that people could change it and use it after the eclipse. One, they didn't actually do that, and nobody actually wanted that. I thought it was an additional value that I could add to people, but it didn't. And all that it ended up doing was they were ending up breaking a lot of the time. So I thought I added and bundled something that people really didn't actually want and only resulted in negative reviews and headaches for me. So make sure that you're actually putting something in there that's worthwhile. Anyways, if whatever you put in there, make sure to really protect it. So I had to change around, and I had a little bit of void area in there with our original packaging. Well, I thought it was okay, but it was breaking in around 2% of the times. And, one of them would crack in half. And I was getting emails, though, and I started to notice this, and I had to go ahead, and I really focused on it right away, though, and changed the packaging ASAP so that I was able to stop these negative reviews from coming in. But I had a really good product insert and instructions so that people were emailing me and not leaving the negative reviews, though. Got one or two, but was able to message them and fix the problem, and then they ended up changing it on their own because we had really good product and branding. So make sure that it's protected. And like literally, I threw mine against the wall. That was the test. If I could take it and throw it against the wall, take it out, and it worked, I was like, all right, this is great. Now, obviously, if you're selling like glass jars, then maybe throwing against the wall isn't the best, but definitely do the drop test a lot. And you know that things are going to happen to this. Think about your UPS or FedEx or whatever delivery service you have driver. They don't care, and it's going through a conveyor belt with millions of packages, and there's 40-pound packages coming in here, and they're not always packaged very well. So definitely take into account and test this out so that everything's getting there safely, because you don't want to be getting negative reviews and running into headaches just because you're packaging. So if you guys have any questions about packaging, let me know.